Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you must install .NET Desktop Runtime error on Windows 11, 10. First method is install .NET Desktop Runtime. Second method is repair Visual C++ redistributable. Third method is safe boot. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.